Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use GoHighLevel opportunity custom fields in Forms. This feature allows you to capture specific information unique to your business directly within opportunity records, making your pipeline management more efficient and tailored to your workflow. First, open your web browser and navigate to your GoHighLevel login page, enter your credentials, and click Login to access your dashboard. Once you're inside, you'll see the main interface where all your tools and features are organized. Now head over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Opportunities. This will direct you to your Opportunities page where you can view and manage all your active pipelines. From this page, you'll see your active pipelines along with individual opportunities listed within them. Go ahead and click on any opportunity where you want to add or manage a custom field. When you click on an opportunity, a card will pop up displaying all the relevant details. Look toward the bottom left part of this pop-up menu and you'll notice an option labeled Add/Manage Fields. Click on it to access the Custom Field Management section. In the Custom Field section, you'll find a button that says Add Field in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on it and a new pop-up window will appear prompting you to choose the type of field you want to create. For this tutorial, let's keep it simple and select the single line option, then click Next. On the next page, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your custom field. Type in the name you prefer based on what information you need to capture. For this example, let's use alternate address. This field will now be available to store additional address information for your opportunities. Next, click on the Object dropdown and select Opportunity. This ensures the custom field is associated specifically with opportunity records. Then click on the Group dropdown and select Opportunity Details to organize your field properly. Once that's done, click Save to finalize your custom field creation. Now let's verify that everything worked correctly. Head back to your Opportunities page by clicking Go Back on the left side panel just above the Settings tab. Navigate to the opportunity where you added the custom field and open it again. Scroll down to the Opportunity Details section and you should see the alternate address field we just created appear, ready to be used for capturing additional information. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.